How to recover deleted Gmail account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to recover your deleted account. Let's just get started. First thing first, you need to go over to Google Chrome or any other web browser, and you need to search for Google Account Recovery. And once you search for it, just tap on it. Go to the first link that you see here. Now from here, you can just tap on the first link that you see, how to recover your Google or Gmail. Scroll down and find the option recover deleted accounts. If you don't see this, you can just tap on the recover your account right here. And it's going to take you to this page. Now, if you've deleted your account, you can follow these steps. So the first one is to answer some questions to confirm your identity, and if you have any other problems, you can just go to the tips to complete account recovery. I'll just tap on follow steps to recover account. Provide your email address, tap on next, and then you can try another way to sign in. If you have passkey, that's alright, you could easily recover it. Then you'll find the option to get a verification code on your second email or your recovery email. Just tap on that. And once the recovery code has been sent, you can enter the code here and you can bring back your deleted account. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.